Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to be showing you how I made this cute heart-shaped Valentine's Day wreath. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the wire heart-shaped wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and you're going to need a lot of ribbon with wire, and this is the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and you're going to need some pipe cleaners, and you're going to cut your pipe cleaners in thirds. So you're going to pinch your ribbon together, and you're going to take your pipe cleaner and wrap it around the center wire of your wreath form, go to the back and give the pipe cleaner a few twists. Now we're going to be making little bow ties for this wreath. So make a loop, pinch it in your left hand, let out some more ribbon, try to make the loop on the opposite side the same size as the first loop, and then you have your first little bow or bow tie. Next, you are going to want to take one of your pipe cleaners and you're going to wrap it around your bow, and you're going to secure the little bow to the middle wire of your wreath form. So wrap it around your bow, go to the back and give it a few twists and fold your pipe cleaners down. So all the way around the wreath, you're going to be making little bows. You do not have to fluff the loops of your bow every single time. I just wanted to show you how cute the little bows look when you do fluff the loops. So you're just going to take your ribbon, and do not cut your ribbon. You're just going to keep going with one piece all the way around your wreath. So make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go the opposite side, make another loop the same size. Sometimes when you have ribbon that has a design on it, sometimes you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. And these loops are about 3 inches, the loops are. So if you were to stretch the ribbon out, it would measure 6 inches. So when you fold it back to make a loop, it's 3 inches. If you do not have a big roll of ribbon like this ribbon came from Sam's Club around Christmas, you can just, whenever you run out of ribbon, just tie it off, just like you did when you started your wreath. So just tie it off and then twist the ribbon up and attach it to a pipe cleaner so the end does not flip down, and then just start a new roll and continue making your little bows. All the way around your heart-shaped wreath form, you're going to try to make your bows about the same size. So you do not have to measure them each time, but just try to make the loops about the same size, so that way when you get finished and fluff it, it looks like a heart shape. Now when you get to the top part, the V part of the heart that points down between the two arches, you could make the bows a little bit smaller if you wanted to in that area. I did make my bows a little bit smaller in that area, not much smaller, but a little bit, and I think that helped to make it where you can actually tell that it is a heart. Now just remember when you make your bows that you've got to get that pipe cleaner all the way around the bow, because if you do not get your bow secured with the pipe cleaner, your ribbon's just going to, come loose and just unfold on you. I have never seen a wreath made like this. This was just something I came up with when I was watching TV tonight, and I thought I'm going to try it and see how it turns out, and if it turns out good, then I will share it. And so I thought it turned out really cute, so you can let me know in the comment section what you think. I counted my bows after I finished my wreath, and I counted about 60 little bows is what I tied for this heart-shaped wreath. I do not know how many bows I did per section because the heart-shaped, wreath has different size sections, but when I would make a bow, I would push it forward just like you would do when you're doing the bubble method. So tie a bow, secure it to the wreath form, then push it forward so that it's nice and full and fluffy, and this is how the back looks. And I still need to go buy some more pipe cleaners. I meant to get some today, but I forgot. So you can see I've used a few green ones too on this wreath. But just do not cut your ribbon until you get finished. But if you do have to, just start it the same way that when you started the wreath. So it's not much trouble if you have to start your ribbon again. And here I have finished all of my bows, so I'm taking the ribbon, cut it off, and I'm taking the end, pushing it through the middle wires, and I'm going to take the end and just take one of the pipe cleaners and untwist it, put the ribbon in the pipe cleaner, and then twist it back. And that's it. And you can trim off the pipe cleaners that are sticking up to make the back look nice and clean if you want to. And now I am ready to fluff the loops of my little bows. So just make sure that you get every loop because you want it to stand up and be full and fluffy, and you will want to use ribbon with wire, and this is the 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and I got it at Sam's Club, and I don't know exactly how many yards you will need. Just think about it as you know, roughly each bow takes 10 to 12 inches of ribbon. So I don't know exactly what to name this wreath, but I think it's really cute, and y'all know I love tying bows, so I think I'm going to call this my bow tie heart ribbon wreath. I asked my daughter what she would name it, and that's the name she came up with too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It does not cost anything to subscribe. Just click the button that says subscribe below the video on the right. And if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell. Thank you, guys.